local if we want to change these particular settings. The next one is system. Just waiting on that one finishing. So there's quite a number of things in your control panel. Don't be worrying too much because PC Kerman will explain them to you as we progress in the videos to come. As I say, Windows XP has a control panel provided, and a lot of these are the same thing. It's basically on Windows XP and Windows Vista. Okay, I want to close that one. Right. This is system. And this basically is your device monitor, your Windows Edition that you have installed. The rating is 2.3 because I haven't done the Windows Experience Index yet. Processor that I'm using at the minute is 3.00, which is 2 gigahertz processor. I've installed 250 gigs of memory. I'm using a 32-bit operating system. Pen and Touch, which is basically a feature built into Windows 7. I don't particularly use it, so I don't have it put on at the minute. My computer name is User PC, and my full computer name is User PC. Windows is activated, which is a genuine copy I'm using. Okay, that's another thing, friends, take into consideration. It is against the law to use a copy of Microsoft. It is only there for one license, one computer, unless obviously you buy a business pack or something like that. Do not make the mistake basically that some people use, which is basically illegal. But it is their choice, their risk. All I can do is advise them not to do it. If someone does a copy for you of Windows and you tweak it, whatever you do, and you get using it, and you do get caught, you can be summoned. Also, you're not getting the genuine operating system because it's being copied up another computer, and the drivers and etc. of the other computer will end up going onto your system and basically wrecking your computer. It's not going to do it any good. You might think you're getting it for nothing. You are getting it for nothing, but you're getting a lot of hassle with it. So here you have got remote settings. If you don't wish to use remote settings, go to Advanced, untick the box, click OK, and untick the box, and click Apply. Now, System Protection is here where you can basically configure restore settings and manage your disk and delete restore points. If you have it set, always create a restore point on your computer that you're happy with. So if I decide to create a restore point, type on the description to identify this restore point. I'll call it Monday 1. Click create. And it'll now create a restore point for me from today because I'm quite happy that there's nothing on my computer system. So if I have a problem and I want to go back to the safest point, I can go back to today. A lot of people don't like using system restore points because if you have a virus on your computer on a Monday, your computer's not going well on a Friday, and you restore it, you can bring the virus back into your computer. So my advice would be, if you're going to restore, create a restore point, make sure you don't have any viruses on your computer and you're quite happy with the way it is. Also, if you're going to scan your computer for viruses, I would advise you to turn the system restore points off scan your computer, and then switch it back on again. These are small, simple steps I would take personally if I was doing it myself, but it's entirely up to yourself. So that is creating a restore point. Okay, I want to go back to the control panel. That's doing that in the background. Here you've got Windows and card space, which is basically manage information cards to be used to log on to a register.